I'm so proud of her. She's just so easy.
Big news of the day. Our golden child, Autumn Fisher, JF has only been training her for 2 weeks approximately, maybe 3. And this is her first time in a full-size car. And she just did her first race in the rain, placed 6th out of 17 cars.
Qualified sixth.
Qualified 6th. So she's starting in the back of the pack. She's got to make her way back up to the front in this next race.
In the rain. It's awful out here.
Oh man, she's so awesome.
We're so pumped.
It's like her daughter.
Yes,
We're so excited.
it's awesome. I've been having a great time with her.
Yeah, she's so sweet. And she's so good. And
She is
so,
super good.
I got this little special thing for her on her helmet,
Look at that.
Autumn Fisher. And
Something
we've got
on
one
the
for her car.
Wicked.
And yeah, she's running Red Bull.
Wicked. This is what I was supposed to race, but it's so slippery out there, and I gotta get it all dirty. I know, it sounds bad, but look at how nice and clean it is. So we're not gonna go muck that up. We're gonna take care of our clients, make sure all of these guys have a great time. So that's our focus today.
Oh, the cops are here.
There's our number 1 guy right there. Right, Calvin? Tell us favorite part about your day so far.
It's yet to come.
Oh yeah, but what are you impressed
Race
with?
number 1's gonna be fucking action-packed.
So this is our guy contending for the actual championship. Something I've missed by 3 points 3 years in a row.
You know who I'm really impressed with? Yaman.
I know, all of them.
Like, well, I mean, I'm
Autumn.
Autumn, I'm like over the moon with. Like, Dawn.
Moosak.
Oh, there's the
What's
man.
up? There's Daddy! I thought
Okay.
the cops were coming and pulled me out of jail because I was so happy about my daughter's performance.
The cops. Okay, so tell us how you do feel about this whole thing, because it's got to be a little nerve-wracking, Dad.
Yeah, I don't know if I slept too much last night. I definitely was feeling a little, definitely nervous, and so I had to have the daddy-daughter talk on the way today and just say, you know, keep the shiny side up, and she's doing amazing. I mean, I'm nervous, and hence, like, I got black flag because I didn't know what I was doing because I'm thinking about her. I just got to worry about myself too.
Okay, so came off. So Dad's also racing in the other car in the same race.
Yes.
But she out-qualified him by a whole pile.
Oh yeah, by
super
like
proud of
2
her, but
seconds.
somebody's ego's hurt.
Oh yeah, that's okay. Oh my God. My youngest son, of course, comes off and he's like, Dad, what's the matter with you? So I think he's still tired. It's awesome.
Either that or Willie's going to step on the gas like he's done in the past and maybe prove him wrong. All right, let's go racing.
Let's go racing, baby.
stayed out of trouble. Good for you. Congratulations. We need more of you.
All right, we've got them all. Thank you, Sean.
Shake and bake!
Oh my god.